Good morning, students. So in the last class we have solved up to 20th problem. So in today's class we'll continue with the 21st problem. So the given function, it is tan square 2x minus 3. So we have to integrate this with respect to x. So I'll go for the solution. Consider this as I which is equals to integral tan square 2x minus 3 dx. So now tan square 2x minus 3 can be written as secant square 2x minus 3 minus 1, because 1 plus tan square x which is equals to secant square x. So from the basic identity of trigonometric functions. So now what is tan square x here? It will be secant square x minus 1. So in this case x is going to be 2x minus 3. So I which is equals to integral, so I can write this as secant square 2x minus 3 minus 1 dx. So now integrate them separately. Integral secant square 2x minus 3 dx, then minus integration of 1 dx. So now, so here in the first integral we have to go for the substitution. Put 2x minus 3 is equals to t. Differentiate both the sides now. Derivative of 2x will be 2, which is equals to dt by dx. So now we need only dx. So dx which is equals to 1 by 2 into dt. So I rewrite this integral now. I which is equals to integral secant square. What is 2x minus 3 now? It is t. What is dx? Dx is 1 by 2 dt minus, write this as it is now. It is integral of dx. So now I which is equals to 1 by 2 is a constant, I write it as it is. Then integration of secant square t dt will be tan t, then minus integration of dx will be x. Here we are integrating with respect to t, that is why I have written t here, and here we are integrating with respect to x. So plus c. Now we have to replace t. 1 by 2 tan t is nothing but 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 minus x plus c. So this is all about the 21st problem. Well, the next question, it is secant square 7 minus 4x. So I take this as I. I which is equals to integral secant square 7 minus 4x dx. So now I take 7 minus 4x as t. Put 7 minus 4x equal to t. Now differentiate both the sides now. Derivative of 7 will be 0. So we get minus 4 which is equals to dt by dx. So we need only dx. So I take dx to the LHS and minus 4 to the RHS. It becomes minus 1 by 4 dt. So rewrite the integral I which is equals to, so integral secant square, this will be t. Then what is dx now? Dx will be minus 1 by 4 dt. So here minus 1 by 4 is a constant, I write it outside the integral. So I which is equals to minus 1 by 4. So we are left out with secant square t dt. So that is nothing but tan t plus c. So we have to replace t here. Minus 1 by 4 tan what is t here? It is 7 minus 4x plus c. So this is all about the 22nd problem. Well, the next question it is sin inverse x divided by under root 1 minus x square. Consider this as I which is equals to integral sin inverse x divided by under root 1 minus x square dx. So here I take the numerator as t. Put sin inverse x which is equals to t, then differentiate both the sides now. What is the derivative of sin inverse x? 1 divided by under root 1 minus x square which is equals to dt by dx. So take dx to the LHS. Dx divided by under root 1 minus x square which is equals to dt. I rewrite the integral I which is equals to integral sin inverse x is nothing but t, then dx by under root 1 minus x square it will be dt. So it becomes t dt. I which is equals to, what is the integration of t? It is t square by 2 plus c. I which is equals to, what is t here? Sin inverse x the whole square whole divided by 2 plus c. So this is all about the 23rd problem. So the 24th question it is 2 cos x minus 3 sin x divided by 6 cos x plus 4 sin x. We have to integrate this with respect to x. So I consider this as I which is equals to integral 2 cos x minus 3 sin x then divided by 6 cos x plus 4 sin x dx. So I take 2 common in the denominator. I which is equals to integral 2 cos x minus 3 sin x then divided by, so take 2 common here, we get 3 cos x and then plus 2 sin x dx. So now put denominator equal to t, that is 3 cos x plus 2 sin x equal to t. Put 3 cos x plus 2 sin x which is equals to t. So differentiate both the sides with respect to x. What is the derivative of 3 cos x? It is minus 3 sin x then plus 2 cos x which is equals to dt by dx. I take dx to the LHS. Dx which is equals to dt. So what is this now? This is nothing but the numerator. Minus 3 sin x plus 2 cos x dx equal to dt. I which is equals to, so I write this 1 by 2 outside the integral. So the numerator can be replaced by dt then divided by t. So now I which is equals to 1 by 2, then integration of dt by t will be log mod t plus c. I which is equals to 1 by 2 log mod, what is t here? It is 3 cos x plus 2 sin x plus c. So this is all about the 24th problem. Well, the 25th question it is integral 1 by cos square x into 1 minus tan x the whole square dx. So consider this as I which is equals to integral. So here 1 by cos square x can be written as secant square x, then write the denominator as it is 1 minus tan x the whole square dx. So now take the denominator as t. Put 1 minus tan x is equals to t. Differentiate both the sides now. Derivative of 1 will be 0. Then derivative of, write minus sign as it is, derivative of tan x will be secant square x. Now which is equals to dt by dx. Take dx to the LHS. Dx which is equals to dt. But here we need only secant square x dx. That means minus sign should be taken to the RHS. Secant square x dx which is equals to minus dt. I which is equals to integral. So secant square x dx will be minus dt. Then divided by t square. So now I which is equals to minus, I write it outside, integration of, take this to the numerator, it becomes t raised to minus 2 dt. So now I which is equals to minus, I write it as it is, then integration of minus 2 dt will be t raised to minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. So now I which is equals to minus, so what do we get now, t raised to minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus c. So I which is equals to, so here minus by minus it is plus, and then take t to the power minus 1 to the denominator, it becomes t to the power plus 1, that is 1 by t plus c. So replace t here, I which is equals to 1 divided by t is nothing but 1 minus tan x plus c. So this is the answer for the 25th problem. So the 26th question, it is cos root x divided by root x. So we have to integrate this with respect to x. Consider this as I which is equals to integral cos root x divided by root x dx. So now we have to go for the substitution. Put root x equal to t. Then what is the derivative of root x? It is 1 by 2 root x which is equals to dt by dx. So what do we need now? We need dx by root x. That means take 2 to the RHS and dx to the LHS. dx divided by root x which is equals to 2 times dt. I rewrite the integral now. I which is equals to integral cos t, then dx by root x, it is 2 times dt. So integrate this now. I which is equals to, I write 2 outside, then integration of cos t will be sin t plus c. So I which is equals to 2 sin, what is the t here? It is root x plus c. So this is the final answer for the 26th problem. The 27th problem, it is under root sin 2x into cos 2x. So consider this as I which is equals to integral, so it is under root sin 2x into cos 2x dx. So now I take this sin 2x as t. Put sin 2x which is equals to t. What is the derivative of sin 2x? It is 2 cos 2x which is equals to dt by dx, but here we need only cos 2x into dx. So cos 2x into dx which is equals to, take 2 to the RHS, it goes to the denominator, it becomes 1 by 2 dt. So we have to rewrite the integral. I which is equals to, I which is equals to integral, this becomes root t, then cos 2x dx will be 1 by 2 dt. So I which is equals to 1 by 2, I write it outside the integral, then integration of root t dt will be 2 by 3 t raised to 3 by 2 plus c. So 2 and 2 get cancels, I which is equals to 1 by 3 t, it is nothing but sin 2x. So sin 2x to the power 3 by 2 plus c. So this is the answer for the 27th problem. Well, the 28th question, it is cos x divided by under root 1 plus sin x. So consider this as I which is equals to integral cos x divided by square root of 1 plus sin x dx. So now I take 1 plus sin x as t, put 1 plus sin x equal to t, differentiate both the sides. So we get cos x which is equals to dt by dx. So I take dx to the LHS, cos x dx which is equals to dt, I which is equals to integral cos x dx is nothing but dt divided by root t. So what is the integration of dt by root t? It is 2 times root t plus c. So replace t here, I which is equals to 2 times under root 1 plus sin x plus c. So this is the final answer for the 28th problem. The 29th problem, it is cot x into log sin x. So first I will consider this as I which is equals to integral cot x into log sin x dx. So now put log sin x equal to t, put log sin x which is equals to t. So what is the derivative of log sin x? It is in the form of log x. Derivative of log x will be 1 by x. So 1 by sin x into d by dx of the inside function. Derivative of sin x will be cos x which is equals to dt by dx. So now what is cos x by sin x? It is cot x, and I take dx to the LHS into dx which is equals to dt. So let us rewrite the given integral. See here, cot x dx will be dt, then log sin x it is t. So it becomes t dt. I which is equals to, what is the integration of t dt? It is t square by 2 plus c. I which is equals to, replace t here. So it is log sin x the whole square divided by 2 plus c. So this is all about the 29th problem. The 30th question, it is sin x divided by 1 plus cos x. So let us take this as I which is equals to integral sin x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. So now take denominator as t, put 1 plus cos x is equals to t, then differentiate both sides with respect to x. We get minus sin x which is equals to dt by dx. So we need only sin x dx. Take minus to the RHS now. So sin x dx which is equals to minus dt. So rewrite the integral I which is equals to integral sin x dx will be minus dt. I write minus outside, dt by t, I which is equals to, so minus as it is, dt, integral of dt by t will be log mod t plus c. So I which is equals to minus log mod, what is t here? It is 1 plus cos x plus c. So you can simplify this further. If you remove this minus sign, here we have to take up the reciprocal. It becomes log mod 1 divided by 1 plus cos x plus c. So this is all about the 30th problem.